Welcome to Pack Poppers. Went ahead and we got this. It has all 3 of the legendary dogs and 2 packs in it. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. Alright, it has Sun and Moon, Guardians and Rising, and Steam Sage. And you have the 3 legendary dogs. Suicune, Entei, and Raikou. Alright. And the cool little coin that comes with them. Alright, let's go ahead and get Stage Siege opened up real quick and see what's in it. Steam Sage. Sometimes it takes a minute to get them open. And there we go, we got it open. Alright. Alright, you can go ahead and flip them. Marill, Ponyta, Litwick, Joltik, Foongus. Ooh, a shiny Sneasel. That's beast. Druddigon. Pokemon Ranger, Tangrowth, Capturing Pokepuff. It looks like it's going to be a cool trainer. And of course the back card. Alright, and time for Sun and Moon Guardians Rising.
Are you really recording this?
Yes.
That's mean.
This is the best part.
Watching me open.
Watching anybody open packs is the best part.
Okay, I'm taking that one out.
Snorunt, Patrat, Gligar, Bellsprout, Cottonee, a shiny Geodude, Honchkrow, a cool look Steel Energy, an Energy Recycler, a Max Potion, and a Clefable. Is that it? That's it. Alright. Thank you for watching Pack Poppers. Feel free to subscribe. And we'll be back with more packs to open up. So guys, have a great day.